Is your iPhone getting hot fast? In this video, I'll show you 5 quick fixes to cool it down and keep it running smoothly. Follow the steps ahead and let's solve this problem together. 1. Remove the case. Take off your phone case to help your iPhone release heat more effectively. 2. Close background apps. Swipe up and close all running apps to reduce processor strain and cool your phone down. 3. Update apps and iOS. Go to the App Store and Settings, then Software Update to keep everything updated and running smoothly. 4. Avoid using while charging. Try not to use your phone during charging to prevent unnecessary overheating. 5. Lower screen brightness. Reduce screen brightness through the control center or turn on auto brightness to minimize heat generation. These 5 simple steps will help keep your iPhone cool and running at its best. Try them out and let me know which one worked for you in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone solutions.